Look at that little guy. What'd you do, buddy? What'd you get yourself involved in? Come here, buddy. Oh, bite me.
Right there, right there.
Good boy. Come here, buddy.
I'm trying to save you.
Yeah, clap on this side of him. Because he doesn't want to go by us, so that's what I'm saying. If you... He's out. All right, I'm good. Hey, buddy, come here. I'm here to help you. Easy, easy, you ferocious little... It's okay. It's okay, you ferocious little demon. I'm trying to help. Come here, buddy.